South Korea has shocked the global defense industry with the unveiling of its new $5 billion worth advanced fighter jet and next generation tank. These cutting edge military assets signal the nation's commitment to strengthening its defense capabilities and positioning itself as a leader in military innovation. Both platforms have drawn significant international attention, reshaping perceptions of South Korea's military prowess and marking a new chapter in its defense strategy. The AS-21 Redback, an advanced infantry fighting vehicle developed by South Korea's Hanwha Defense, represents a significant leap forward in military technology. Engineered as a state-of-the-art, heavily armored platform, it is designed to excel in a wide array of combat scenarios while providing superior protection for troops. The vehicle's name, inspired by the venomous Australian redback spider, hints at its formidable capabilities and cutting-edge design. At the heart of the AS-21 Redback's impressive arsenal is a powerful 30mm automatic cannon, capable of engaging a variety of targets with precision and devastating effect. This main armament is complemented by an array of advanced active protection systems, which work in concert to defend the vehicle against incoming threats. The Redback's battlefield awareness is significantly enhanced by its suite of cutting-edge sensors, providing crews with an unprecedented level of situational awareness in even the most challenging combat environments. One of the Redback's most notable features is its unmanned turret, which not only increases internal space for personnel and equipment, but also enhances crew survivability by allowing operators to remain safely within the vehicle's armored hull. The integration of anti-tank guided missiles further augments the Redback's offensive capabilities, enabling it to engage and neutralize heavily armored threats at extended ranges. Adding to its versatility, the AS-21 is equipped with a sophisticated hybrid suspension system, ensuring smooth mobility and exceptional performance across a wide range of terrains, from urban environments to rugged off-road conditions. Australia has shown significant interest in the AS-21 Redback, recognizing its potential to meet the country's unique operational requirements. The vehicle's robust design and advanced capabilities make it particularly well-suited for Australia's harsh and varied environments. As a key contender in Australia's Land 400 Phase 3 program, the Redback is vying to replace the nation's aging fleet of M113 armored personnel carriers, promising a substantial upgrade in both protection and combat effectiveness. One of the Redback's most appealing features for the Australian military is its advanced protection systems. This system significantly enhances the vehicle's survivability in high-threat environments, a capability highly prized by modern military forces. The AS-21 Redback's superior crew protection extends beyond active defense systems. Its advanced armor composition and innovative design provide exceptional passive protection against a wide spectrum of threats. Furthermore, the Redback boasts a high payload capacity, allowing it to carry additional equipment, ammunition, or personnel as mission requirements dictate. This versatility makes it an invaluable asset in a wide range of military operations, from conventional warfare to peacekeeping missions and humanitarian assistance operations. The KF-21 Boramae, South Korea's next-generation fighter jet, represents a significant leap forward in the country's aerospace capabilities. Developed by Korea Aerospace Industries, this 4.5 generation multi-role aircraft is designed to significantly enhance South Korea's air defense capabilities and compete with advanced military aviation technologies on the global stage. The Boramae, which means hawk in Korean, embodies the nation's ambition to soar to new heights in defense technology. At the core of the KF-21's impressive capabilities are its cutting-edge features. The jet incorporates advanced stealth technology, utilizing radar-absorbing materials and a carefully designed airframe to minimize its radar cross-section. While not achieving full stealth capabilities like the F-35, the KF-21's reduced radar signature significantly enhances its survivability in modern combat scenarios. The aircraft is equipped with a state-of-the-art active electronically scanned array radar, providing superior detection and targeting capabilities across a wide spectrum of operational environments. This advanced radar system, coupled with sophisticated avionics, offers pilots unprecedented situational awareness, crucial for success in today's complex aerial battle space. The KF-21 Boramae's versatility is evident in its impressive array of armaments. Designed to excel in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, the fighter can carry a diverse payload of munitions. This flexibility allows it to adapt to various mission profiles, from air superiority and interception to precision ground strikes and support operations. The aircraft's power plant consists of two General Electric F-414 engines. These engines propel the KF-21 to a maximum speed of Mach 1.8, enabling it to effectively engage or disengage from combat situations as needed. With a maximum range of 2,900 kilometers, the Boramae offers extended operational reach, crucial for patrolling South Korea's airspace and projecting power beyond its immediate vicinity. South Korea has ambitious plans for the KF-21 Boramae, aiming to produce 120 of these advanced jets by 2032. This production goal is part of a broader strategy to modernize the country's air force, with the KF-21 set to replace the aging fleet of F-4 and F-5 fighters. The introduction of the Boramae marks a significant milestone in South Korea's defense sector, symbolizing the nation's push towards greater self-reliance in defense technology and reduced dependence on foreign military hardware. This indigenous fighter jet program not only bolsters South Korea's defensive capabilities, but also positions the country as an emerging player in the global arms market, offering a competitive alternative to Western-made fighter jets. The KSS-III submarine is South Korea's largest and most advanced submarine, developed to enhance the nation's naval capabilities. Part of the Republic of Korea Navy, it is the third phase of South Korea's indigenous submarine development program. The KSS-III aims to increase the country's self-reliance in defense technology and is a critical step toward a blue water navy capable of protecting South Korea's interests in regional and global waters. The KSS-III is designed to improve South Korea's ability to deter threats, particularly from North Korea, which possesses a substantial submarine fleet. Unlike its predecessors, the KSS-1 and KSS-2 classes, the KSS-III is much larger and more technologically advanced, featuring an array of state-of-the-art systems. It has a displacement of around 3,000 tons, making it capable of carrying larger payloads and enhancing its operational endurance. Its range and endurance far surpass previous South Korean submarines, making it capable of extended missions without requiring frequent resupply. One of the key features of the KSS-III is its vertical launch system, which allows the submarine to launch ballistic missiles. The initial batch of submarines can carry up to 6 submarine-launched ballistic missiles, while later versions will be able to accommodate 10. This capability gives South Korea a powerful second strike deterrent, significantly boosting its strategic defense. The submarine's armament also includes torpedoes and anti-ship missiles, enhancing its combat versatility. Another critical advancement in the KSS-III class is its air-independent propulsion AIP system. The AIP technology allows the submarine to stay submerged for extended periods without surfacing to recharge its batteries. This capability significantly reduces its chances of detection by enemy forces and enhances its stealth capabilities, making it more difficult for adversaries to locate and track the vessel. The submarine also incorporates advanced sonar systems, improved hull designs for quieter operation, and sophisticated electronic warfare and countermeasure systems. These features make the KSS-III not only an offensive weapon, but also an intelligence-gathering platform capable of monitoring enemy movements and providing vital information to South Korean defense forces. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.